Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Our Darren Bent don't come as I call it talk say make Arsenal make a move for Jude Bellingham of Dortmund. So it will make sense when Arsenal sign that guy ahead of Declan Rice, and at the same time he can also concede the fact say people like Manchester United, people like Man City, people like maybe Chelsea, Liverpool, they go there for the mix to sign this player. Now if you don't concede, say people like all these kind of heavyweights would they interested in this kind of player, even Real Madrid itself are likely to want to sign him. So why you go say make Arsenal go sign that kind of player when you know so there will be a bidding war, because this guy is likely to command a figure in the hundreds of millions, so you make the signer. So why not just jelly go settle for what Declan Rice? Because for me personally, I would like more to sign Declan Rice, because he's a very Declan I know old, like 24, 25, he's not an old man, but people like Benz will talk to more sign Jude Bellingham because he's very, very young and has a lot of potential, has a lot of years. Yes, he's very young, he's playing in the Bundesliga, but he has not played in the EPL, so I don't know how that transformation will work for him. And for me, I don't really see that energetic, that stamina, that presence like the presence we Rice get for the field of play. Right, get that stature, we be say go use and bully player. Imagine Jude Bellingham versus Casemiro for the middle of the park. Who this go excel? Many things just enter my head. But for me, I go say more sign our Declan Rice, more move forward. Nobody Declan Rice, Sergej Milinkovic Savic. There are many players they will say for one sign. So what you not think? If now you Jude Bellingham versus Declan Rice, who you go choose out of the two? Let me know in the comment section. Now away from that, so today now go be Europa League draw. So Arsenal go do their Europa League draw. Arsenal get the opportunity to face people like Juventus, Sevilla, Roma, Sporting Lisbon, Shakhtar Donetsk, and Bayer Leverkusen. Now one of all these people now we go play against, because now they don't play the playoff. Manchester United also did their, but because we are from the same country, so we no go face Manchester United. We are not eligible to face them again. So now either of all these other people, which means our Europa League round of 16 tie, it will be a cracker. Because imagine for me, I want me to even give us Shakhtar Donetsk and them go and define that Shakhtar and them I need. We'll let them know. But it's them do us with Mudrik. The para for them so we'll just watch out everything go end. So Fabrizio Romano said don't come as I call it, let us know say Bukayo Saka don't get verbal agreement with Arsenal, say he will sign a contract extension. So now Arsenal offer the guy they say over £200,000 per week. That's what we are hearing, and say the deal go amount to a minimum of £10 million per year. So they won't reward him for all in hard work, because he is one of the standout performers in Arsenal, if not the best player at Arsenal at this moment now. So that's why they won't give this guy a bumper contract, like to show and say yes, you are really valued, because as a standard the guy they end at 40 or £50,000 per week. That's why they won't give him a bumper like skyrockets in salary. Now let them know say in the valued for where in the and we know say this guy also will help us to fire us to our Champions League ambition, and if possible help us win the league. It's possible, so we'll just watch now. Good developments. So away from that, we can't get revealed say Arsenal offer Barcelona 70 million euros, which is about 62 million pounds. So they want to sign Raphinha of Barca. So now Barca signed this guy from Leeds for about 58 million pounds. So now we won't come and sign him back, but then no green and then block him, even though Raphinha was open to the move, because Raphinha said don't come outside for public domain, saying like PSG and then like Arsenal. So now the team so we say in get this soft spots for. So if we won't go for him, go one side for us, but Barca block him because they are fighting for their first La Liga title since Xavi took over. As it stands now, the gap Real Madrid with the second place with like 7-8 points in the La Liga table. They say they need all their players because they get waiting there for their front. So they don't come up for the Europa League because Manchester United beats them yesterday 2-1 after they played the first leg 2-2. So they are out of the Europa League. They know the Champions League, so they're only the La Liga. Now they will fight for them. They make sure say they end the season winning something. So I wish them all the best of luck. So that will see happen now. So as no come gets this Raphinha, no get Mudrik, so now went for our plan C You get, because before the cop Trossard our plan B, now it is plan C. We can't go for Trossard, Leandro Trossard. So now Ali McCoy will be one of the pundits at Talk Sports. Come and they analyze Mikel Arteta touchline antics. So Babakari talk say Arteta they deliberately they do all these things against the referee. They deliberately offend the referee, make referee give a card, or offend player, make them push him again, so that it will animate the crowd, so that the players will get that ginger, say, our coach get the passion, coach will win. For that reason, we die here. Now this kind of tactics now you can club do for Arteta get when two of them get issue when Arsenal they play Liverpool. For that match was drab, very boring. The Liverpool fans say they don't even the chance because they don't understand the way Arsenal take set up. But after you just get that altercation, Klopp versus Arteta, the crowd went ballistic. You get everybody started to shout on top of the voice before you know what's happen. Man, you don't score. You get so that kind of tactics now. Ali McCoy, they say in the see for Arsenal because the Arsenal atmosphere, you get the environment is not a playable arena. Anybody will come there as an away team, you always find it difficult because the electricity in that atmosphere you get. Now something they say it will consume you if you are not careful. So you believe say Arteta gets hand for the way everything they happen. All those emotions when they wear for his sleeve, when they run down the touchline, you get they perform, you get. So the fans they see all those things and fans will say if our coach feel a ginger like this, what about us? That's what fans said. We'll join the ginger. Even Kit Hackett self don't come and say I warn Mikel Arteta, so make him stop to the undermine referee after that latest video we come and say when the referee they play like this, saying they talk to players, say, okay, yeah, no quick restart. I don't know, referee just they give one kind of indication. Arteta said well, it's got to like mimic the referee, they take the referee, they play again. So the thing don't go around as a meme. It don't be very, very popular, it don't trend. So Kit Hackett come to say making them very careful because if you know they careful, many referees will come they notice you. Some they ignore you. But because of what they do them now, they'll come and notice you before you know they're going to give you yellow card. Before you know they miss matches. Before you know the FA will come point a touchlight on you. Because they can clamp down on touchline antics and say, okay, no near this particular place again. Because now even the fourth linesmen, they know they really watch people when they do touchline antics because nobody like that. Conte did there, you get. Even the hack self they stand up, you get. So nobody them. People like the how many coaches they stand up, some they prefer to just go sit down and watch, you get. Even Pep now number one. Pep now from Pep Arteta learner, you get. So that's what it does be. Our West Ham now don't come outside and say that they interested in signing least defensive midfielder called Morten Højbjerg. Get so this guy is defensive midfielder and they really say they sign him. Get it could be the perfect replacement like for Declan Rice because they don't already understand say Declan Rice now in last season for West Ham with this, and if they can't go relegation, then they go bad. You get because if they go relegation, the guy price will come down like a pack of cards because their revenue, get their power to generate revenue to sustain the team, we then get to pay the salaries, you could go down, get because you know compare the championship and the EPL, get there are different kinds of fish in terms of generating revenue. Get so we just the watch as it go be. My own happiness we say them don't understand say they are going to lose him in the summer, and the guy is like a bit more likely to join Arsenal. What they watch. So for those who know they are aware, so Arsenal they prepare bid for Rasmus Højlund where they play for Atalanta for Syria. This guy has scored 6 goals in his last 19 games, and at the same time he scored 5 goals in his last 8 games. Okay, so like I promised yesterday, I said I'll go check the guy for YouTube. You know, say normal on YouTube, even play average player itself, you could play very well on YouTube because where they go join the clips for you. Now in best moments you go watch, and the guy now is a handful because he's very, very tall, he can bully defenders, he's very, very good. But the question is this the kind of player we need moving forward? Now somebody made an interesting comment yesterday when I talk about this guy, talks about whether Arsenal supposed to go for Osimhen, again, go for the likes of Osimhen. Why are you going for somebody like Rasmus? The guy can make one statement where it didn't touch me. I can't feel say okay, the guy get points. You can talk say when Napoli they go for Osimhen, I think Osimhen was playing in Lille then. Whether they go for Osimhen, they know kind of a mind saying that the Osimhen of today, then they go for. So then buy Osimhen as an average player. Fine, he was scoring goals in Lille, but it was not that dominant the way he did today. It was not that bulky the way he did today now because the guy don't improve immensely. So then go buy Osimhen. Fine, the goal scorer, he scores some pocket of goals, but not the kind of dominating player when be as of today. So we can still buy Rasmus, and in the next 4-5 years, the guy go turn to beast. Say that one self day. I agree. I concede to that one. Say that one self day. But at the moment, we shouldn't be looking for future returns. We should be looking for immediate return. Today now we want to see the goal. We don't want to see the goal next 5 years. Get that be my own point. So I don't know that some of you understand what where me I come from. At this point in our lives, the last time we win the league now 2003, 2004. You know we like more win the league this season or more win the next season. We want to aim to win the next 10 years. Okay, so that's my own aim. That's where me I see. We need instant gratification. Now the way me I see. So let me know in the comment section if you understand my own points, or maybe if you say now all those kind of rasmon, all those kind of average players now we still need for a number 9. So away from that, even the Athletic come as I call the talk say this Jude Bellingham, Arsenal would like to sign him, but the problem is say Arsenal would like to do for bidding war. Exactly what I was saying. Again, the Athletic is right on that. So for that reason, I don't think Arsenal would really like to go for the guy unless the guy will come as I talk say Arsenal. Now you, I won't join. I like you because you are using young players. Unless you will give us that 100% guarantee. Yes, but all these guarantees sometimes they are fake. The people will give us guarantee. Yes, so don't be by guarantee. Yes, so most of all these things fake they did there. But unless it comes out to give us a 100% certified guarantee assurance to say okay, now I won't play for them. Let's see how it goes. Even Fabrizio Romano said, don't come as I call the CHUKS for the matter. Call it say this Rashmon. Say for him, say the guy is unlikely to join Arsenal. Number one, they say he wants to be a starter wherever he's going. For Atlanta, the guy is a 20-year-old, is very, very young. So for Atlanta, they enjoy game time, they play regularly. So why would he swap a place where he plays regularly and go to an Arsenal where he is likely going to sit on the bench? Okay? Because we are playing Champions League next season. I don't think we want to be depending on an Nketiah, a Rasmon, and a Gabriel Jesus. We need somebody that is even better than Gabriel Jesus if possible. Those are the kind of things I want. Get. I believe that what every Arsenal fan wants. Get. So we need somebody who's very. We didn't miss that Aubameyang 20-25 goals per season that he was giving us before he can derail, before he can flop. That's what we miss. Get all those kind of days of Henry. I mean, they promised that starting at least 18, 19, 20 goals, 25 per season. Not Henry, they promised them. You get. See what Benzema they promised Real Madrid. A certain number of goals per season. Before Salah flopped this season, he gets a certain number of goals when they promise the Liverpool faithful. You get. Imagine when Aguero did for Man City. They said that's how it's supposed to be. Imagine when Drogba did for Chelsea. You give them as you will say yes, my striker also at least 17, 18, 20 goals per season. We're not talking about he scored 10 goals per season and you say you have a striker. Who does that? So that's what I'm talking about. So away from that, so even Brendan Rodgers, the coach of Leicester City, don't come as I call it, let us know, say people like Medicine, get there will be doubts for the Arsenal game when they go play for this weekend. Get so I don't know. I know say the guy is a very nice player, he's on form now, he's on fire. So if they miss him, it will go even favor us if they miss him. But my own be say everybody will like when I play. I know saying you get what I know be saying I will collect because as we do like this now with the para and I like Leicester City game, get there's a be attack, there's no be defensive side where they set up, play 10 men behind the ball, especially when they do for the King Power Stadium. So I'm expecting them to bring their best 11. We said we go bring our best 11. Let the best team win. That's what I want that. So another thing we'll call it here be say the many pundits come as I call it and say Arsenal they will drop their plans to sign Ivan Fresneda. You get from Real Valladolid, especially now we say Cedric Suarez don't find square roots. You get so we are kind of short in that right back position, so we need a cover for next season again. And this guy, don't say everybody for January they agreed deal with Arsenal for 50 million euros. Themselves also agree 50 million euros deal with Borussia Dortmund. But what you happen is that the player blessing no come make up in mind early to choose where he won't go. So everybody go still return for the summer to come still go for the guy. But know where the guy will come choose. Whether I go choose Arsenal or whether I go choose Dortmund. Because for me, I think say the guy go fit choose Dortmund because you know say for Arsenal, it doesn't stand a chance. He will play cup. How do you move from playing regularly for Real Valladolid in the La Liga and come to Arsenal to sit on the bench? You go there behind people like maybe Ben White, Tomiyasu in the pecking order. It's going to be the third right back choice. So we'll get, but only go somewhere like Dortmund where they give youth a chance, just like Arsenal, it stands a chance of being maybe the first choice or maybe being the second choice. So that's the way we are seeing. So how everything will pan out, I don't really know until it happens. So my dear football lovers, if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of the screen. You go see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as it drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. That game out.